Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer chili cumin chicken wings. Let's begin. We have here 12 chicken wings. We're going to put this to the side and we're going to make the seasoning first. We'll need half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of ground cumin, half tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, there you go, and lastly 1 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Take everything and mix it all together. Okay, everything is nicely mixed together. We're going to put that to the side. And now let's season the chicken wings. There we go. We're going to turn it over and do the same thing. Okay, we flip them all over and let's season the other side. Looking good. Gonna change out my gloves. This is what it looks like before we put it in the air fryer, and now let's preheat the air fryer. We're gonna push the preheat button and we'll get preheated to 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken wings. Try to use up some of the seasoning on the cutting board. There we go. We have 12 chicken wings in. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 22 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 11 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over. Let's flip it over. There we go. We flipped them all over. Space them all a little bit more evenly. And now let's put it back in for the last 11 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 22 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Gonna take them out. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer chili cumin chicken wings. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.